All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Fusion. It is the titanium hybrid model, this beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, heated seats, alloy wheels. It's got a rear spoiler, sunroof, super nice, only 28,000 miles on this vehicle. And best of all, minimum damage to your front bumper. Looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. And your tire, there it is. Looks at 630 seconds. Let me double check that. Boom. Yeah, just a line under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. And your tire, third is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got your sunroof right there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat with memory. Of course, this is a push start system. Can't hear this bad boy on because it's a hybrid. Of course, you got it does come with one key fob combo. I'm sorry, 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. Very nice. Got your heated seats right there. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 28,375. Very nice. Keeping it moving. Turn on the lights. Turn on the fog lights. Nice. Put up the trunk. Shoop. All right. Now I didn't show it, but what your sunroof looks like from the inside. Pow. All right. This is the rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks okay. Got some scuffings and stuff like that here. Some heavy scratching. That's about it. Your deck lid looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There's a spare tire here with some tools under this thing. I could only assume. I'll open it up for you guys. See if that is true or if I'm just talking shit. No, I'm talking shit. I don't know where. I must not have a spare tire. Must have like some sort of run flat system or something. All right. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger rim. I don't see any curbing here. Any tire thread is at the line of 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Front passenger seat. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And it is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. No curbing. Tire thread is at 630 seconds. Lights are working. Fog lights are on. Things are running. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ford Fusion titanium hybrid model with 28,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.